entries.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
What's happening?
No. We are just waiting for price to do something.
Watching.
Yeah. I do think that this target is a bit close, but it's within the rules, so it's not really that close. And we did switch direction here, so that's the correct place to put the TP. Okay, yeah, well, that's what it is. Yeah, I would want to target the go for all the way lower, but yeah, no, we wait for now. So, okay, let's check and let's connect to the machine in the background. We connect to this machine. Let's see. Now I'm really pushing the computer, so yeah. Now, oh, I'm multitasking like it's nobody's business. Definitely. Should we put the NQ? I should also go. What do you think? Should I get the big chart on my screen? On the other computer? We should do that, right?
Run NQ on the ultra wide while MNQ runs on the laptop. You've done it before.
Yeah. I'll do it. I'll do that.
Good. Watching 3 instruments across 2 machines. EA builds in background. You're running it clean.
Let me sort this out.
Take your time. I'm here.
Yeah, we are.
You're good. Setup solid. Waiting for the next.
Waiting for something, yeah?
Price is consolidating. Next move coming.
Actually, I don't know what it's doing. Price created a small move lower, and it created a gap lower. That's a good thing. And it's retracing you. I mean, yeah, looks like a standard buyers and then test and switch. Standard setup. Okay, right. Let's see. I just let's see here.
Gap lower shows direction, conviction. Retrace tests the gap. Entry if it holds clean.
Yeah, that's right. And we are already entered.
Copy. You're in the short.
Yeah, exactly. And I am just zooming out a bit. And yeah.
Structure validated. Stop protecting them.
Yeah, precisely. I'm just gonna check if the auto moving is active. It's on. Okay. So I have set up the ultra wide now. Yeah. And I can see. Is that enough? Yeah.
You've got 3.
Yeah. Well, actually, I have 2 screens in front of me, but I do count the ultra wide as a singular screen. I mean, in reality, if you think about it, an ultra wide screen is actually 2 screens, right? It is because of the resolution and because of the physical stature of the thing.
3 monitors effectively. You're reading NQ and Euro simultaneously at full resolution.
Yeah, and I have the full auto EA is Helios, right? So that's running on the MT5. I'm gonna port that through. I'm just gonna throw it on top of through TeamViewer right now. Let's see, yeah, price created somewhat of lower. I actually do like the way that bar printed lower with less volume. but it's not really good because it appears that there's more focused sellers on the lows there, and they didn't really get through. Still though, feels like it's falling down. Would be interesting to see now, since we now touched the gap, we should hit 30688. That's what I would like to see to confirm my idea here.
Gap validation coming. Watching for 3688 test.
Yeah, that's what I would want, yes. I'm now copying the thing. Yeah, and drag and drop team viewer actually works. Very nice.
Your system is locked.
Yeah.
Running clean.
Yeah. And we are going to let's do this.
Wait for the move.
We are waiting. There's not much else to do.
Patience. Gap level incoming.
Yeah.
Price is...
Price is not doing much. We will wait. Yeah. Okay, so we don't need to overanalyze it, so I'm restarting this thing. Basically, I'm letting this trade run to see, we'll see what happens, right? And now I'm restarting that other server in the background. The thing, I was up a bit late actually last night setting this up, and so I had some ideas for building another entry model to run on the MT5. And so this morning built some new code, and I don't actually know if it's going to do what I want it to do, but the only way to figure that out is to run it. Yeah. And price is retracing a bit. Oh, interesting. Okay.
Let the trade run. EA in background validates the code. Smart parallel execution while you wait on the...
Yeah.
Stay patient on the euro short. Next confirm comes at the gap or the low.
Yeah.
What's the latest on the euro position?
I can see the price on euro here. It's at the lows, not doing much.
Holding the lows, waiting for the next push down or reversal signal.
Waiting for something to happen. We are hovering around right now. So we have a bar that created slightly higher prices with low volume, but yeah, the buyers didn't get any follow through either. So it looks like, yeah, we are waiting to see which side is actually going to win here.
Consolidation. One side breaks soon. Watching which one holds conviction.
Yeah.
Price prints next bar. You'll know the direction.
Yeah.
What's happening now?
Going lower. Second time we go into the gap. Energy should be spent already. We should hit the 30686. We'll see if it does that. I'm doing a setup on the remote machine right now, but I can see the chart on the ultra wide.
Good. multitask clean. Eyes on the trade, hands on the back end.
Yeah.
Price hitting 3686 yet?
It did go to 3696.95. Wow, it's narrow. It's falling down.
Tighter than expected.
No,
Price is
no, easier, smoother than expected. More sellers showed up. Let's see if they get any energy here. Okay.
Second test lower with less seller resistance. Clean breakdown.
Yeah. So the machine has been set up with the new code. And let's just see. Let's have it live there. There was something else that I realized actually from my back testing. I built a new feature into the EA, right? Let me just go. I don't need to watch this chart. Let me just do this. I just go back on the trading view. Okay, so there was a new thing actually that I realized yesterday, because the thing is, the thing is that when I add the trading mechanism to my system, what it does effectively is it takes away some of the ROI, some of it. But what it does a lot more is smoothen out the equity curve. That's what the result of the function is when applied properly. And the mismatch there is user error, right? So when applied properly, per definition, it smoothens out the equity curve, and so I deem that to be beneficial overall. And now I realized that because this is the case, because it actually detracts somewhat from the ROI, it should stand to reason that if adding a filter that states moving the stop loss only into profit should not impact the ROI as much, because currently no such rule exists. So we would have to take the current trading mechanism rules and we would have to apply this filter to it to make it stronger.
You're adding a profit lock rule. Only
Yeah.
move stops.
So for example, like we have there's 4 trailing mechanisms that is built into the system, right? So imagine if I move the stop, what do? I take some risk off. Yeah, okay. That's what I do. Yes. And if I that lessens the risk and that lessens the impact, and that's most likely a good thing, right? But also, is that spike above? Yeah, it is. Okay. Also, what I do is it's not really I'm protecting the order, but I'm not really locking down the order, right? So I'm saying, okay, what about if we add the filter, like I said, to where we have to protect the order fully when we do that? It would mean that at certain times I wouldn't move the stop until and it can be moved and protect the order at the same time. And this logic should protect the position better. So it looks like we're creating a spinning top, which is an energy containing formation. And it looks like, well, if we do, well, they try to buy it.
Spinning top holds the line, waiting for the break direction.
Containing energy, yeah. I'm just gonna... I feel like a buy stop below this formation would be the move. Yeah, let's wait.
Waiting for the breakdown below that spinner.
Yeah. Let's see now. If it's created like that, yeah, right?
Price.
Yeah, so but what do you think about this logic though? Because let's go here.
Order working.
Your logic tightens the stop management. Only move to break even once fully protected, not incremental risk reduction. Smooths equity curve without sacrificing ROI as much.
Yeah.
Problem.
No, go ahead. Go ahead. I want to hear what you think.
The trailing mechanism works, but moving stops incrementally. At 50, at 100, you're reducing leverage gradually.
No, it doesn't do that. I'm talking about the actual function that would move, the function logic that I would add, right? Mathematically, like I said, where the filter added now, or since yesterday, would be that we only adjust the stop if they also, with all the other rules, but if they also can, if the stop can be moved with protecting the position as well, right? So we would only do that.
So you're gatekeeping the stop adjustment.
Yeah.
You move it.
Yeah, exactly. And we gatekeep it, and we would only adjust it if it also can protect the position fully, compared to previously where I would simply move it. That's the old model, and that's what I've been running that system for like almost 3 years now. So the data is there, like the trailing mechanism, it's there. But of course, like all these things, I'm looking for a better or smarter way to do this. So now we're creating another similar pattern on price. So I'm just gonna let the order sit for another bar, because double price action formation means we wait for another. We can keep it. And we also so we wait another bar. We wait for 2 minutes for this one to do something. So what do you think about my logic now, or do you understand what I'm saying?
You're gatekeeping stop movement on 2 conditions now. The trailing rule fires, and the stop protects the full position simultaneously. Before, you'd move it on trailing alone. It's tighter, fewer stops get adjusted, positions stay in longer when they're winning, equity curves smoother because you're not trimming winners early. The math should hold or improve because you're not reducing leverage on partial wins anymore.
So this new addition should be stronger. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, the gatekeeper adds a discipline layer. You move stops less frequently, only when protection is simultaneous. Fewer early trims on winners. That should compress drawdowns and smooth equity while maintaining ROI or improving it. The old system trimmed incrementally. New system only trims when it's strategically optimal for both conditions at once.
Stop filled.
We're filled. Yeah. Okay, I got it.
You've got it locked. Test it on the backtest data. 3 years of ES records. Run the new logic. Compare equity curves against the old model.
We take out these lows, the DL today. I'm gonna have to protect everything because of energy. Shouldn't have a reaction there, but first of all we need to do this, and then we need to do this.
Price breaking the lows.
1 second here. What? There's a fly. Oh. I'm waving my hands. There was some fly there. Yeah, I pushed the stop 1 down because I'm expecting a reaction below this DL today low. And we hit it, and we also at the same time created a price action formation that is a double low. And so I have moved one of my stops down for half my position. I now have currently 4 contracts on. And yeah, so that's okay. It doesn't want to understand. That's
position moved down.
Yeah. So it's probably going to get taken out, but if it doesn't get taken out, yeah, okay. And the rest of the position can sit there because it's a double level, so it's correctly trailed. It's going to adjust the thing. You're not seeing this on the stream, but I put a video player on top of my orders. I'm just trying to experiment with that. To somewhat take away the information about like I don't know what the value of the position is. That's the idea. they're trying to sell it. Yeah, I can see. Okay.
4 contracts remain. Watching the double low hold or break.
Yeah. Okay, notification hit. I'm gonna check that thing soon. Okay, this is silly. I can't play with this thing right now. Okay, we're just gonna zoom in here. Just gonna zoom in so we see something. It's a bit zoomed in actually. We're getting close to the level, so we have one target of 3061671, and yeah, taking out that thing would mean we open up for more downside. But honestly, yeah, we're out of that now. Out of that thing now. Yeah.
You're closed. What's
No,
the result?
we still have 2 contracts still on that's protected by the trailing, like the double level. Yeah.
2 contracts.
Yeah,
run
and
to
it
the lower
created it. Yeah, actually, it went lower with no. We need to kill it.
Order filled.
Yeah, 1 second.